Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Brownies, as I'm sure you're aware of by now. And as a doctor, when I was in doctor school, you see, I was required to learn a lot about aliens, so I'm pretty much an expert in aliens. And, well, I don't know if you were aware, but aliens absolutely hate loud, annoying noises. See? Here, I'll demonstrate again. Alien. See? Hello everybody, Dr. Brownies here and Dr. Cake is here too. So as you can see, there's the cave bear. Pretty big. Can you see that piece? See, it's pretty big. So see, this cave bear is from Alaska. He's very old and he's pretty big. But as you can see, his hands are like the size of my face. So he's got very big claws. He's very dangerous. So okay, yeah, he's pretty scary. But, you know, I'm not scared of him. Are you scared of him, Dr. Cakes? Dr. Cakes? Are you kidding me? You love. What a coward.
Just stay there and talk about the stairs that I take and you take. I'm going to call you when you come up, okay?
Okay.
And I'll be hiding somewhere where you can't find me, okay?
So I'll be here and then you call me on my phone to tell me to go up?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, people, well, I don't know if you were aware, you probably were if you watched season 2, but for some reason, Dr. Cakes is convinced that the set of stairs near the pool at the school is closer to the media room than the set of stairs near the auditorium, which is where I'm close to right now. And he's completely wrong, because these stairs are much closer to the media room. Like, I'll try to show you right here. Down there, that's where the media room is that direction. And the so as you can tell over there, Dr. Cakes is wrong, as he is with most things. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole argument. Just I'm right, he's wrong as usual, and he told me to wait here until he called me to go upstairs. I'm not sure what he's planning, but it's taking a long time. Oh, hey, check that out. See, he's calling me right now. Hello?
Anton,
That's me.
come upstairs now, okay?
Okay.
That's all from you, okay?
All right, so where do you want me to go after I go up the stairs?
Just try to okay?
All right, I'll try to find you. Okay, I'm gonna go up the stairs and then I'll be right back. Okay, people, I'm back up here now, and apologies if there's any background noise. There's a lot of people making noises around. So, Isaac told me to look for him. Oh, there he is. Gonna move the camera over here. There he is. Hi, Isaac.
I was playing dead.
Well, you're clearly not dead, which is a shame. I mean, well, it was a neat trick, but, you failed as usual.
I was playing dead. Just help me up.
Okay.
Hey, help me up.
Nope.
Lame-o.
Fine, you want help?
Yes. No tricks?
No tricks. Tricked you.
Hey, let me up now.
Nope, bye.
I can't get up the
No,
floor.
I'm closing the camera now. So John, what's it like living down here with all this background noise and weird smells? Yeah, it's just strange. Like I can't imagine what it's like living here all day with so much noise. Yeah. Oh, the show, it's going pretty good. We're filming season 3 already. I don't know if I'm supposed to say that, but we're working on a lot of stuff. Yeah, it's going good.
Dr. K.
That's you.
Dr. Brownies.
I'm talking to John here.
Hey.
See, Isaac, John wants you to leave so we can discuss things like we did back in the day, thousands of years ago.
Is this thing recording?
Maybe.
Huh. Wow. It is. Huh.
Oh, by the way, John, did you have a question for Isaac? Oh yeah, how's our movie going, Isaac? How's the filming going?
Hey, Anton, I have a question.
You didn't answer the question. The movie's going so slow. He's so bad at filming the movie. Like he's so terrible at following scripts. Yeah, it's terrible. Honestly. Don't touch the camera. You're gonna mess it up. Sorry, John. It's been nice talking to you.
Hey, Anton, wait.
Bye, John.
Anton, wait. Look, people are going to record a skit of me throwing this wrapper into the garbage can all the way from here.
You missed.
Come in.
Here, I'm gonna do it. Oh, wow. That is really difficult. I guess I misjudged you. Oh, hey, Isaac, check it out. It's a cave bear coming to attack us.
Where?
Right there. You should be running. I'm gonna run. Bye. Okay, camera, we're gonna go up there and try to see if we can get through the dark, spooky hallway all the way up there. Hi, camera. Oh, whoa, it's high up here. Hello, camera. How you doing? We searched around up here and we found this area. So, yeah, fun. Come in here. In here. In the room. In the dark room over here. Probably not. We're there now. You guys go around over there and talk to the camera. Go Go around over here.
Right here? We get in trouble.
Come on.
Hello, people.
Here, come over to the side and talk to the camera.
What are we talking about?
Stick your head out the window. Bye.
Hey, you can't leave me up here.
I'm gonna leave you up here.
But what's it dark and spooky? Don't you dare turn off the lights. On me. Anton? Hey, what's in there? I'm talking to you.
Hey everybody, we're back from our journey. Back from the journey. It was very informational. Dr. Cake should be arriving over there soon. We're gonna just talk about our discoveries. Dr. Cakes, come on, we gotta tell the camera what we found. We found screaming. Hey audience, let us know if you want us to resurrect 2020 again and drop him from up there. Leave a like if you want us to do that. Thank you. Hello everybody, Dr. Brownies here again. So, as you saw earlier, aliens hate loud noises, but I don't know if you were aware, but Dr. Cakes also hates loud noises. I'm going to demonstrate that right now. Go Dr. Cakes! See that, people? He hates loud noises. Hey, Dr. Cakes, okay, I'm done with the loud noises. You can come back. You can come out here. Trick you.
Hey. I'm gonna show that trumpet and
Bye, Dr. Cakes. What the? Did you push the button again? Are you kidding me?
I'm not pushing a button.
I am. I'm leaving.
I'm leaving with the camera. Well, I'm leaving too.
Okay. Bye. That's it. I had enough of this. I'm leaving with the camera. Bye.
Hey, I'm not done here.
See you later, John.
Hey, Dr. Brownie. Hello, people. Dr. Cakes here. Well, I'm here at school. There's my teleportation device, that blue thing. It's blue, but I'm gonna have, alright. I want someone to turn the camera around so they can see it. So the whole audience can see it. Anton!
What do you want?
Get your butt down here!
No.
Wow. That was surprisingly odd and weird. But yeah, over there's my teleportation device, which I want you all to see it, but hold on a minute. Anton!
What do you want?
Get back out!
No.
But yeah, he's gone. Hang on, I'm gonna try calling his name again. Anton! Anton!
What do you want? I'm right here.
But you were up there.
Was I?
Hey Anton, why don't you show the audience my teleportation device?
Teleportation?
Yeah.
Where you're gonna teleport? Oh, you're going in there?
Yeah, that's my teleportation device I built.
Alright, people, that was just some technical stuff. I wasn't giving him stage directions or anything. Okay, so let's show the audience your teleportation device.
Okay, turn the camera around. Well, people.
Here's this thing that's definitely not a prop from a school play that we're using for illegal reasons.
Well, as you can tell, that this is, well, it's definitely not a prop from a school play, as you know.
Okay, so how does it work?
First of all, you open like this, there's little invisible buttons, like, you can't see the button because it's invisible.
So then do you go inside it?
Wait, hold on, turn on. I'm gonna set the teleportation device back in 2019 when I first met you at, actually, let's go back to
That was
Anton.
not in 2019, that was 1926.
Anton, what year did we graduate out of middle school?
I don't know, maybe like 1910s or something?
Walnut Creek Middle School. What year did we graduate?
That was like 1910.
1910. So I'm gonna say it 2018 back at Walnut Creek Middle School. Okay, and submit.
Oh, you mean when we were undercover? Well, if it's undercover, then probably like 2019.
2019. Back in 2019 at Walnut Creek Middle School when I first met Anton. When I bugged him.
Yep.
And submit. And okay, people, I submitted the words to go to it.
Okay,
so,
this video is pretty long now, so you're gonna show them your teleportation device?
So I'm gonna go through here. All you have to do is just go through here.
Okay.
And it goes to this.
Alright, people, so now I'm gonna go inside and, whoa, where'd he go? I don't see him anywhere. I'm gonna go back out. I don't see him anywhere. I don't know, audience. Do you see him anywhere? I don't see Isaac any. Wait. Hey, where'd you go?
What do you mean? I went back in time.
Really?
Really?
Okay.
Anton, can we record that video on my phone? I want to send that to someone.
Nah, hold on. Hey, Isaac, why don't you tell them about stuff and I'll go teleport myself?
Go teleport yourself?
See ya.
Hello, people. My name is Isaac Hayes, and Anton's gone, which that is surprising. Which I'm very happy. Peace and quiet. Yeah. I don't see him, so this is my freedom. Let's see. What else am I?
Hey, people, check it out. I teleported up here.
How'd you get up there?
Teleportation,
Hey, Anton, I want to record that on my phone. I'm gonna record this on my phone quick.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I want to send this to someone. Hold on. Turn off this camera. Hello, Internet. My name is Dr. Cakes, and there's Dr. Brownies. And as he showed you playing loud noises that aliens hate loud noises, and I also hate loud noises. But what you don't know about that Dr. Brownies slash Anton Partouche hates one great fear. I know that his fear is water, people, and I'm gonna point it at him. Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
Ha ha. Okay, I'm done.
Okay. No.
Any last words?
No. Why is it so loud in here? Why does it smell like rotten eggs? We want our eggs. Go away.